MS Office not responding or MS Office is not working. See this problem with Excel, and you are worried about your data, the data will be lost. So, what you have to do, there are some tips and tricks which can save your data. So, tip number one, first you press Windows key plus R, and here you will write excel slash save. So once you click OK, it will open Excel on save mode. So your data will be remain and you will go on the save mode. Okay. Now tip number two. Okay, in tip number two, you will go to Excel options, and here you will go to add-ins, and then you will click on go, and you will find these checkboxes on it once you step. So what you have to do, you have to remove all the checkboxes from here and press OK. Okay, now the third tip, first you will go to control panel. In control panel, you will see programs and features. Once you open the control panel, you will find here programs and features, and once you click on programs on feature, you will see where is MS Office. You will click on MS Office and click on change. So once you will click on change, it will give you the installation window, Office installation window. Here you will click on repair and then continue. So once you will continue, it will repair your Office and your data will be saved. So guys, these was some tips and techniques save your data in Excel. So till the next video, take care. Bye.